In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a team member to a Wrike project. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Adding team members in Wrike is a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through it step by step. So let's dive in. First, let's start from the home screen of your Wrike account. You'll want to find and select the relevant space that your project is associated with. Spaces are like folders for different teams or project types, so whether it's your cooking food group, logistics, or maybe your marketing team, just pick the one that fits. Once you've chosen the space, look for the gear icon. This icon is located next to the space overview. Clicking on this gear icon will take you to the settings for that particular space. Now, once you're in the settings, navigate to the Members section. This is where you'll manage who's part of your team. If you don't see the name of the person you want to add on the list, no problem. Just type in their email address in the provided field to send them an invitation. That's all you need to do if you want to add them to the entire space. But what if you only want to give someone access to a specific project? Let's go through that process. First, you'll need to locate the specific project within your selected space. For example, if you're working on the Chinese food project, scroll through and find that project under the space overview. Once you've found it, hover your cursor over the project name. You'll notice 3 little dots appear next to it. Click on those dots to open the menu. From this drop-down menu, select the option that says Share. This is where you can control who has access to the project. After you click on Share, you'll see a search bar. Here, you can either select an existing team member from the list, or you can enter a new user's email address if they aren't already part of your Wrike team. Once you've added their name or email, don't forget to hit Save. This final step is crucial, as it applies the changes you just made. And there you have it. Whether you added someone to an entire space or just a specific project, Wrike makes the process simple. So to recap, start from your home screen, choose the right space, click on the gear icon for settings, and either add someone to the Members section or share them into a specific project using the 3 dots. Wrike is designed to keep your project management efficient and streamlined, so making sure the right people are on board is essential. If you have any